Damn it.
Well, that's a drop. Oh, nope, that's water. Well. Yeah.
We just want to get to the top and work our way down.
Hey, Skittles. Huh.
Holy fuck, I'm out of shape. So, welcome back to another video, I guess. I don't know. We're on top of a building.
You can see the moon. Wow, this thing zooms in far.
I mean, yeah, it's a cheap camcorder.
No, it zooms in like, this is better than an iPhone. Pardon the shakiness though.
My legs feel like jello after that many stairs. But I explored this place with Chris.
Oh, who the fuck is that?
A year ago at least. And yeah, it's been locked up since. Ethan thought he saw POE. He was wrong, but we kept walking and we found one. And now we're on top of a building.
Heyo.
Where? I mean, if you fucking recognize this place, you'll know where, but I ain't saying. Find it on your own.
Balls. Well, that's wind.
Holy shit, that scared me. Fucking. Also, look at this detail on the fucking rooftop that no one will see. Look at this. They don't even do this on stuff you will see. What happened to architecture, man?
Well, that's a thumbnail right there. So much to explore and so little time today.
Oh yeah, sunset's like an hour or so, right?
Well, and it's already 7:20, so
Oh my god.
we have like basically 15 minutes.
Since we only have 15 minutes, we gotta be somewhere. I'm just gonna.
Kind of have to speed run.
Yeah. We're not gonna walk all the way down because most of these floors are just big ass.
Right, they're kind of all the same thing, just different kinds of art.
Well, there's some floors that have like offices and shit. Don't go in the elevator. No, Ethan.
That doesn't sound like a great
Don't go in the
idea.
elevator.
I want to go in the elevator.
No. You're gonna fall. You're gonna die.
Think like him. Floor 7. Wow, we climbed up 8 stairs of floors. All right.
Yeah. So,
Dope. What? Why have you come here? You will die here.
No, bitch. You stupid bitch. No, I won't die here. You stupid bitch. Oh, hey, Jerry.
Someday, one day, when the credits roll, wrap a pocket full of. I hold a pocket full of gunplay for the ignorant souls.
I don't know if there's dripping water or someone here.
Probably dripping water.
That's wind.
That, in fact, is wind. Yeah, scary wind, though. Is that a, like... What's a gunshot hole?
What you looking at? Oh, a hole in the door? Glory hole?
So I wonder who Blicka is, because, Blicka thinks Sappho top 3 respect the greats. Alright.
Dude, I don't know why.
Hey.
Whenever there's like one little sound, my brain's like, oh shucks.
Aw,
There's
shucks.
someone here. Okay, yeah, it's just one of those.
Yeah, it's just one of the window panes.
Okay. We're chilling.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are like the offices. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know exactly what they did here. I just know know what this building was. Yeah, again, I'm not gonna tell it to you. You found it out on your own.
So much art.
Dude, yeah, there is. I mean, it's a big ass place. So there's a lot of like room for art.
If we had the time, we could probably spend like 2 hours here.
I think that's how long me and my parents spent here.
Hello.
Yeah, I like this room. I was like, oh, I like this vibe for indie industry. Did someone try to burn this? How the fuck are you gonna burn a concrete building?
You know that's a great
I
question.
said that exact same thing in the silo video.
Yep, you sure did.
People won't learn. Break. Spelled wrong.
Yeah!
God damn it, you beat me to it. No! That's a dead end.
Sure is.
And then yeah, just out that way, it's just empty space. So let's go down.
Alright, explore. Oh, that's cool. I don't think that door gonna open.
What?
I don't think that door gonna open.
You don't think it's gonna open?
Nope.
Don't go in the elevator.
I won't go in the elevator.
You can straight to the elevator. Catch you later, see you later, see me later. Call me Eminem. I'm an Eminem. You bitch want an Eminem. Eminem. Oh my god.
An Eminem.
Oh, I think the whole video is I'm an Eminem. You bitch want an Eminem. So I give her Eminem. Oh my god.
Hi, my name is Eminem. Your girl wanted Eminem, so I gave her an Eminem.
Oh my god. Got a nice.
Rest in peace to me.
We got a nice open concept for okay? Open yourself open. And yeah, it's just fucking.
Equality.
It's just.
Oh, that goes down for quite a while.
Yeah. Down.
Ski.
Still the fastest I've run through.
Yep.
I'm also trying to go before sunset.
This is also true.
I will admit this building. It is sketchy at sunset because there are a lot of holes in the floor.
Wouldn't be great.
So, yeah. Thankfully we have lights.
What kind of cum stain is that?
Oh, my bad, Chief.
Ah!
Looks like the Kool-Aid man failed to do his job.
Oh no.
Oh no, bro. Let's go down.
Okay.
So you can kind of get a feel for how the floor is actually.
Eesh. So we're on floor 4 now.
Yep. Damn.
We've been speedrunning this.
Yeah. We explored 4 floors in the span of like, what, 10 minutes?
Okay, that's kind of cool looking.
Oh, that is. Dude, there's a lot of actually cool graffiti here.
There really is.
Mixed in with a bunch of just.
Like, you gotta admire the artistry. It makes you wonder how long it takes some of these people.
That definitely has to take a few hours.
Yeah, at least a few. And so you see that cool kind of stuff, and then you just see dick.
Yeah.
And swastikas.
Abandonments.
Oh my goodness.
That scared the shit out of me.
That's my bad, Chief.
You gotta love the load-bearing door with a hole in it.
Door. Just straight brick.
So, fun fact. I don't know if it's this floor, the floor below us, or both floors. But this is where, what's it called? Fuck. What's the Fort Worth haunted house? The really big one?
I don't know.
Fuck. Future me put the name here. But, this, from what my parents said, this is where it was for a while. And then they moved to their current location and set the record for the world's longest indoor haunted house.
That's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
There's a lot more.
The door's closed.
I see that.
Hold up, let me just... Sesame.
Nope.
Interesting.
Oh, it does say this way. Heh, that makes sense. Next one.
Here we go.
Wait. Now that's one date. 2001.
Damn.
Alright, J.A. Seth, I see you. And a Coors Light. I don't know from what year, but...
One of them.
Yep. To each their own.
You still see the no smoking sign.
Huh. It's starting to get dark now. Oh, this light's turning on.
This was the floor that the haunted house was on. Or... was it a haunted house? Paintball gallery.
Sure enough, look at that.
Oh, hey.
There it is.
That's not what it was called back there, but... whenever I see into just abyss, I get on edge.
I can't blame you. Well, there was that door that we couldn't get through. It's kind of padlocked.
Yeah, I'm starting to feel a little uneasy here.
Yeah, I can't blame you. Let's find the exit.
What the fuck?
All right.
What? Erik POV. The rare Erik POV. Ooh, spooky stories. Ooh, look at my beard. Look at this man getting out. Holy shit, it's the rare Ethan POV.
Hey.
Alright, do your job, busboy.
All right.
Look at this. Look at that.
Whoa.
So, I know we didn't spend as much time as we would have wanted to in here. What do you think of it?
Huh?
Brother. We didn't spend as much time as we would have wanted to in here. But what did you think of it?
This is pretty cool.
Yeah.
If the POE is still here next time you're here,
Possibly bring
Well,
Logan.
right? We'll spend some more time.
Yeah.
Oh, that sure enough is a hole in the ground, in the floor, in the ceiling, in the thing with the stuff. Hole.
Alright, we're outside. I'm out of breath because we just ran. I'm out of shape. Fuck. Look at this building.
Hey, it's golden hour. Isn't that pretty?
So honestly, I'd say for just a random one-off impromptu fucking explore, that was pretty worth it.
Yeah?
Got a little exercise in, going up all fucking, what, 9 stories?
Yeah.
We went on the roof.
We sure did.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. The roof would be the 9th. But yeah, I'd say pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah. See you guys in the next video. I don't know what the fuck we're exploring next. Something.